And welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how we can deactivate Snapchat calls or disable it. Now if someone is bothering you so much that you would simply like to disable the calls or call notifications for them, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is open the Snapchat application first. You want to actually disable the calls and messaging for one specific person, you can simply come for that person's profile, tap on the three dots option, go to this manage friendships and simply tap on this remove friend. But of course that's not what we are going to do. What we are going to actually do is we will just come back here, tap on the profile picture in the top left corner and go for this gear icon in the top right corner. And now right over here, if you scroll down, you can see this option notifications. Just tap on this notifications and simply look for the call notifications. And once you look for the call notifications, you can just choose to uncheck them. Make sure to uncheck all of these notifications if you don't find it right. Other thing what you can do is simply long press on the Snapchat app icon, or you can open up the settings and go for this app info. Go for this notifications and simply toggle this off. And now you will not get any notification from Snapchat application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.